Hey guys, and welcome to a quick update for Kingdom of Flesh. Without further ado, let's get right into it, because the VSP Homebrew Game Jam is ending in a few hours. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and go straight into the game while I talk about some of the changes that I've made. So some of the changes I've made have included basically adding in a full tutorial sequence, adding in basically your base camp, stuff like that, and you're going to be able to go ahead and actually start building up your village. Now I've sped up the daytime just a little bit to show off some of the features, but of course we have to start here in the tutorial level. As we go through here, it's going to be basically just taking and setting up things that are already currently working. The one thing that I still need to add is adding in more of the villager subtypes, so that you can have them randomly spawn throughout the day. It's really the last step. I want to do saving, but I don't think I'll have time to do saving properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this stuff, bring it over here, bring it to this guy. He's going to give me this. He also, now it's really sort of a flesh-based game, because everything you do costs you basically one heart. Okay, getting the stone here really quick. Shoot. Come on. The heck? There we go. I don't even need to get that. Cool. I'm basically speedrunning the game. But either way, that's sort of the one thing that I really need to add for this game to really be complete, and I'll give a much more complete showcase. So let's go ahead and get talking. He gets me an axe. Gonna go muffin a tree. Boom. Taken care of. He bites me, gives more apples. Gonna quickly heal up here to do this. I added in crafting as an element into this game as well. So let's go find the bandit, talk to him. He's gonna be up here, talk to the bandit. Or just take the village. And I'm okay to do this. Go back here. He eats a heart. That's fine. Gonna go over here and go back down to the settler. So now is where the real changes start to happen. Of course, this is a tutorial. Next thing that we're going here is now that we're actually inside of the game. This is rather important. Basically, the settler goes over a really basic setup guide here on how to place the sort of center block, which is this diamond looking block. Not sure if I've shown this before, probably not, but then you can put it here. It spawns the settler. The settler says, "Welcome to your settlement, bed, workbench, and chest." So you can place on your bed. It sets your spawn point. The next thing that you can do is take out your chest, set down the chest. Basically, you can interact and put stuff here. I haven't added that yet, but I have added workbench. If you go into a workbench, you can do all this. You can do logs into wood, 4 logs into another workbench, 8 logs into a chest, and 4 stone into a cobblestone. Next thing that he's going to do is he's going to give you a shovel, and then you can set up a little farm. Of course, the farmer arrives on the second day. So we're going to put this here, pick it up, and then take that, and then throw that in there, take that. You need more space, I think. You need at least 5 for the farmer to be happy. Of course, let's put that there. Boom, 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 boom. Gonna go ahead and talk to him. Basically, he's gonna tell you that you can manage the sort of crop system and give you bread. So this is gonna go here. He gives you this little block. This is his home block. You can place it within the radius of like 20 blocks or so, and then he's going to eventually have a trading dialogue here. So that's really the quick little rundown here. A few things to add is going to be being able to basically harvest crops. That's going to be the first one. Next thing is going to be adding in the trading menu for this guy, and then adding in 2 or 3 more types of villagers. That's really what I need to get done, and I'll see you guys later.